Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint. First, download the Mint app from your app store or visit the website. Next, create a free account using your email address and a strong password. Then, securely link your financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios. Mint uses bank-level security to protect your data, ensuring your information remains private and safe. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Once your accounts are linked, Mint automatically categorizes your transactions. You can easily adjust categories for accuracy, like changing groceries to dining out if needed. Set up personalized budgets for different areas, such as housing, transportation, and entertainment. Mint provides real-time updates on your spending, helping you stay within your financial goals. You will receive helpful notifications if you are close to exceeding a budget, giving you time to adjust. Mint helps you track your overall net worth by consolidating all your assets and liabilities in one place. You can set ambitious financial goals, such as saving for a new car or paying off debt. The app provides a clear visual representation of your progress towards these goals. Mint also offers personalized insights, like identifying areas where you could save more money or suggesting ways to reduce fees, helping you make smarter financial decisions. Never miss a payment again with Mint's bill tracking feature. You can add all your recurring bills, and Mint will send you timely reminders before they are due. This helps avoid late fees and keeps your credit score healthy. Speaking of credit, Mint also provides free access to your credit score, updated regularly, without affecting it. This valuable tool helps you understand your financial standing and make informed choices about your credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.